says Desperate Dan, the ruthless ganger man. Now I don't care a toss, and I love to please my boss. I hire and I fire all the time, and if you don't pull your weight, it's the dole cube for you mates. You better watch your stepping out of line. Well, his name is Desperate Dan, and he is the ganger man. He's Desperate Dan, the ruthless ganger man. Now I'm only 5 feet tall, but I feel like 6 feet tall. And how I love to give someone the sack. And if your work is slack, then I'll stab you in the back. I feel like God, 'cause I'm the ganger man. Well, I like to act quite flash, and I'm never short of cash. I do a bit of fiddling on the side, but the boss, he thinks I'm great, and I crawl just like a snake. I'm Desperate Dan, the ruthless ganger man. Well, his name is Desperate Dan, and he is the ganger man. Look out for Desperate Dan, the ganger man. Avoid him like the plain boys if you can, because on Desperate Dan